Hi everyone, this is Melanie from A Creatively Crafted Life. Thank you so much for joining me today in my craft room. I'm going to do an unboxing of my very last Hip Kit Club kit for now. If you've been following me along for a while, you know that I've been in the process of cleaning up my craft room, and I really just have too much. I have too many collections. I have too many kits that haven't been used yet or have only been partially used. So it's time for me to focus on using what I have, and maybe when I put a little bit of a dent in it, we can explore subscribing to another kit again. I apologize for the lighting in here today. It is a little bit overcast. I know, shocking, never happens in California, but it is casting some shadows, so hopefully that's not too distracting. So let's have a look, see what's in October's kit. So I only subscribe to the main kit. I don't do the Project Life or the embellishment add-on usually, because I already have enough stuff. So anyways, let's start with the cardstock. So the very first page here on the top is this blue floral, and it's from Jen Hadfield Homemade, and it's called Along the Way, or it's from the Along the Way collection, and it's called Picnic Basket. And the other side is this black check gingham. I don't know what the difference is. Do you know what the difference is between gingham and check? I don't know. If you know, let me know below. From Pink Paisley, Paige Evans Whimsical. So this is her latest collection. Oh, it's so pretty. This is number 3, and it's this beautiful floral. And on the other side is this. I guess it's still a pink with a pink and a coral. Plus, they look like they're, yeah, plus or X's depending on how you look at it. Also from the Whimsical collection is page 5, or number 5, and it looks like this quilted background with these hexagon shapes, and there's those little X's all around. Now Paige loves to do hand stitching, and I wonder if she'll end up doing embroidery stitches with those X's. Be curious to see. And the other side is this diagonal stripe in the colors of the collection, and it is a broken stripe, so there's gaps every now and then. From Vicki Booten Field Notes, this is called Simple Things. It looks like a hand painted little rectangle pattern, and then on the other side is this, you know, watercolor background kind of look. Also from Paige Evans Whimsical, page 9, is this really small floral. It's got some autumnal colors in this one, you know, with the oranges and yellows. And then the back side is this yellow, uneven yellow stripe. Also from Paige Evans Whimsical, page 8, is this sheet of labels, which are just screaming to be cut apart. And then the other side, though, is this beautiful ombre purple. We have so little purple. I'm so glad that they haven't moved on from that yet. Anyways, both sides pretty awesome. From Whimsical, sheet 4 is this really soft, you can see that floral. It's like a cream floral on a light blue background, and then the centers are like a really dark teal color. And then this side is a teal and navy, it looks like. And what does it say? I love when we are together, so many adventures, so little time, I just can't stop, now is the time, celebrate today, sparkle and shine. Very nice. Jen Hadfield Along the Way. This is called Porch Swing, and it is a tone-on-tone floral. And on this side is a very light pink, I don't know what this is called, herringbone, I guess, maybe, almost. I'm real descriptive, you can tell. And then last but not least, from Crepe Paper, this is from the Hooray collection. It says it's Birthday Girl. There is this very loose drawn plaid, and the other side was this stripe. So those are the cardstocks for this month's kit. Embellishments, not surprisingly, from the Whimsical collection, we get the stickers. There's 87 stickers, and it looks like we've got this, is it gold? Yeah, but it's not a yellow gold. It's almost, I don't know, not quite a copper either. Foiling on it. So we've got things like happiness follows wherever you go, darling I love you, sunshine, always, all the good things, live a creative life. That would be a good one to use to document about this channel, right? A creatively crafted life. Imagine feeling crafty. So it does have a bit of a crafty theme to it. There's some labels, scallop border, this side, just all sorts of random shapes. And you know what? There's no funky animals, which I love. No unicorns, no monkeys, no meerkats. Okay, that's cool. I really like this. The Hip Kit Club exclusive is a set of alphas in this corally color. No numbers, just letters, and I love that. We also get from Thickers, it says Goldenrod. I'm not sure whose collection this belongs to offhand. But it says Better Together, Sweet, Seek, Hello, Sun-Kissed, Create, Lazy Days, Dream, Exhale, What a Lovely Day, and Summer. Those are nice, make some great titles. From Jen Hadfield, this looks like it belongs to her Along the Way collection. Yes, it does. We get some buttons, some wood buttons, a few tags, and some enamel dots. Like those two. And then from Vicky Booten, we get an embellishment pack. There's 50 pieces in here. They say it's mixed media. So let's open this up and have a closer look. Now, if memory serves me correctly, this collection has a little bit of a travel theme to it, but not overtly so. So these are some frames. It says Embrace the Journey. Curious, what is it here? Blessed are the curious, for they shall have adventures. Right now. Choose to shine. Noted. Today. I think we've gotten something from her collection before, or maybe it's from SCT. I think it was SCT Sampler that I've gotten it, because I think I have this piece already. A little journal spot. Today I'm excited about everything. This one is a speech bubble. It says nice. We got reminder, a little tab. Collect beautiful moments. Some more tabs today. Good stuff. Little banner, tag, kind of thing, sunshine on a cloudy day. Journey. Oh, they're just little definitions. Because here's refresh. Here's a label which says good things take time. All good things are wild and free. Make good use of today. We got cool things. It's a little label, journal box. What else do we got here? My favorite people. Another round circle tag. What does this one say? Enjoy where you are now. This is cool things. Balance. Wonder. Some tags, field notes, serendipity, happiness. It's quite a mix, which is kind of nice. Some more banners. Relax, refresh, restart. There is no time to be bored in a world as beautiful as this. True story, good stuff, relax. A few more pieces here left. Live an adventure story. Be the reason someone smiles today. Happy, hello there. All sorts of colors too. Escape the ordinary, explore important facts and observations. Details, do more, what makes you happy, and then a lined journal card. So that, my friends, is the Hip Kit Club kit for the month of October, and I'm looking forward to using this hopefully soon. I can start tackling them and getting some more process videos out for you to see how I end up using them. Until next time, happy crafting.